Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Little bit of an intro to start with, but stick with me or skip past the boring bits, and we'll have a little bit of fun with one of these. This guy, and this here lot cash box. Why am I here? What's the purpose of this channel? Well, I hope to use content creation as a vehicle to share, to explore my hobbies, to get better at them and find new and exciting hobbies. Does this mean each video is likely to be wildly different to the one prior? Probably. Will this play nice with YouTube's almighty algorithm? Probably not. But does any of that matter? Not right now. I had hoped this video, my first video, would be episode 1 of a Fallout 4 Let's Play, roleplay kind of thing, where rather than the usual jokes, idle chatter, poetical waxing about philosophy, it would be a narration of my particular soul survivor's thoughts in the past tense, as if taken from his journal. So I booted up a clean copy of the game, I recorded some footage, uploaded it into a video editor, and so many buttons, so many options. I was clearly out of my depth. I started thinking, is this going to be a long play? Am I keeping everything in? If not, what do I cut out? What do I keep? I was stuck in a loop for a bit, so that's a work in progress. If you had any thoughts on the matter, feel free to comment down below. So that'll put the channel on hold for a good few weeks. But the advice I keep getting was to just upload something. Doesn't matter if it's not good, just upload something, then upload something else. Just keep doing that. And if there's an audience for the content you're putting up, they'll watch it. You know, the whole field of dreams. If you build it, they will come. So, what might you see on this channel? Well, the list includes, but not limited to, computers, gaming, both video and tabletop, bit of a painting, models, electronics, and cosplay. Not sure how well the helmet was seen, but there it is. So, I hope you'll join me on this journey, and let's all have some fun along the way. The humble bobby pin, found in bathrooms all over, used to indicate claimed territory. But in the nuclear-ridden wastes of a post-apocalyptic world, a valuable tool used to access all manner of locked areas, and could be the difference between certain doom and living another day. Of course, assuming you also happen to have a handy screwdriver sitting in your back pocket. The question I have, could someone with no training in the art of lockpicking use these tools to get past this lock to the sweet, sweet cat port inside? Let's find out. Right, all set up. Apologies if my hands get in the way. Let's try this out. Alright, shall we try that again? Make sure it wasn't a fluke. Okay. Well, I think that calls for a Nuka-Cola. I think after that little bout of success, we'll give this little guy a go. Would be great to get into this. I actually think I've lost the key. Alright, time for round 2. That's just great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this first video. If you like what you saw, feel free to subscribe, share the channel around. Any comments, you can stick them down below. And thank you for sticking this out, and I'll see you next time.